camping songs. I'm so excited. We're gonna play and make some food and sing lots of great songs. Join me. A-camping we will go, a-camping we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o, a-camping we will go. We'll pitch the tent right here, we'll pitch the tent right here. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we'll pitch the tent right here. We'll stack the wood right here, we'll stack the wood right here. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we'll stack the wood right here. We'll try not to wake the bear. We'll try not to wake the bear. Shh. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we'll try not to wake the bear. We're having lots of fun, hooray! We're having lots of fun, hooray! Hi-ho the dairy-o, we're having lots of fun. Woo! All right, did you ever go camping? Did you? Awesome. You don't have to go outside to go camping. You can go camping right in your own living room, or in your bedroom, or in your basement, or even in your own backyard. Did you ever go a-camping, a-camping, a-camping? Did you ever go a-camping and sleep in a tent? Did you ever go a-camping, a-camping, a-camping? Did you ever go a-camping and see a raccoon? Did you ever go a-camping, a-camping, a-camping? Did you ever go a-camping and hike in the woods? Did you ever go a-camping, a-camping, a-camping? Did you ever go a-camping and fish in a lake? Did you ever go a-camping, a-camping, a-camping? Did you ever go a-camping with all of your friends? There's a few things we need for camping. Most importantly, we need Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. Peekaboo! These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Awesome, good job.